Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function slice. Hi, Python learners. In today's video, we're exploring the slice function, a built-in Python tool for creating slice objects to extract portions of sequences. By the end of this video, you'll know what slice does, when to use it, and how it makes working with sequences more flexible. Let's dive in. What is the slice function? It's a built-in Python function that creates a slice object, which can be used to specify a range of indices for sequences like lists, tuples, and strings. Here's the syntax. Slice with the arguments start and stop, and the optional argument step. Start specifies the starting index of the slice, and it's inclusive. Stop specifies the ending index of the slice, and it's exclusive. And the optional step value determines how many indices to skip. The result is a slice object that can be applied to sequences. Why use the slice function? It provides a programmatic way to define slices, making your code more flexible and reusable. Key concepts include slice objects. These objects encapsulate start, stop, and step values, allowing you to reuse the same slice across multiple sequences. Sequence compatibility. Slice works with any sequence type, including list, tuples, strings, and ranges. Improved readability. By using the slice function, you can make slicing logic clearer, especially in loops or functions. You'd use slice when you need to define reusable slice logic for sequences, when you're working with dynamic slicing parameters that are determined at runtime, or when improving readability or avoiding inline slicing expressions. Let's start with a basic example of using slice to extract a portion of a list. Here, the slice 1, 4 object specifies a range of indices, and applying it to the list extracts the desired portion. You can add a step value to the slice to skip indices. In this example, slice 062 selects every second element from the list. The slice function is especially useful in loops where slicing logic needs to be reused. Here, the slice object S is reused multiple times to extract the same portion of the list. The slice function works seamlessly with strings as well. In this example, slice 713 extracts the substring Python from the string. You can access the attributes of a slice object to inspect its parameters. This is useful for debugging or when you need to inspect slicing logic dynamically. Here are some important points about the slice function. It provides a more reusable and readable way to define slices compared to inline slicing. It's particularly useful for dynamic or complex slicing logic. And the slicing object itself doesn't perform slicing. You need to apply it to a sequence. And that's the slice function. To recap, it creates reusable slice objects for sequences. It's great for dynamic slicing and improving code readability. Use it with lists, strings, tuples, and more to extract portions programmatically. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!